All right, so let's go back and I'm actually gonna, I think I'm gonna change, let's change this paragraph thing. Let's make that the font that we're gonna use. So we're gonna style the font like we did in our notes. So italic, bold, 50px, a bold, that's a new word, bold, 50px, Georgia, and then serif. Let's see if that all works. So if you want to specify a lot of things in a font, you can do it like this. There's one more thing I want to go through today, and then we'll be all caught up with the other hour. Stop talking. And that's called text decoration. So we're going to take some notes real fast, and then we're going to just try this out on something we've already got. Okay, so this is no longer a font property. This falls under text. So let's jump out. I'm going to go back to CSS. CSS reference, and it falls under text decoration. It is its own item. And we're just going to play with text decoration for right now. There's three things you can do: overline, line through, or underline. So this is an overline. Like if you take geometry, you like learned about array, or you will learn like AB with a line over it. That's an overline. There's something called a line through, and then there's something called an underline. So we're going to do that right now. We're going to do this to our H3, our H4, and our H5 styling. So let's take this H3 and we're going to add to it. So we're going to type text decoration with a dash in between, colon, and we're going to say overline. So now when what is H3 in here? Do I have anything H3?
It's supposed to be the type and RGB color.
I wonder why I can't see it. You know, I'm going to move that to my H4. I don't know. I don't know why it doesn't work. Oh, you know what? I don't know if I saved it. There we go. I mean, I just moved it to a different thing. Okay. Now we're just going to go by copying and pasting. So I'm going to take that overline command and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to put it inside the H5 styling, and we're going to say line dash through. So try that, make sure it works. And then I'm going to add some H6 styling because I've never even put anything in for H6. And I'm going to do text decoration, but this time I'm going to underline. Well, everybody's talking, so that just tells me that everybody's bored and I'm not working fast enough. So when people talk, I just go faster. That's my strategy. If you're talking, then you have nothing to do. So I must not be going fast enough. And if that's not the case, then maybe you should talk to some of those people and ask them to stop distracting you in class. That would be what I would do. Now, if you're feeling ambitious, what I'd like you to do is make H4, H5, and H6 all different colors. So if you remember, all you need to do is go to the color wheel, play around with both RGB and hex. So I'm going to grab this RGB color. I'm going to go to H4 and I'm going to add color, colon. I'm going to paste that RGB color in. That's how fast this is. It's so much faster than HTML. Change my color. Then change the other ones as well. Make sure you try hex and you try RGB.